In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Zoho Books. Imagine you're working in a globally connected business environment, and you need to deal with various currencies for your international clients and vendors. Zoho Books, a popular accounting software, makes it relatively straightforward to handle multiple currencies. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can manage your international transactions with ease. First, you'll want to open Zoho Books and take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you're going to find options for managing your sales and purchases. Depending on what you need to do, whether you're dealing with a customer or a vendor, you'll want to navigate appropriately. If you're managing customer data, click on Sales, then select Customers. If your task involves vendor information, simply go to Purchases and select Vendors. Once you've selected either customers or vendors, you'll face the decision of creating a new contact or editing an existing one. If you need a new entry, simply click on the plus new button. Alternatively, if you wish to update a contact you've already entered, go ahead and select that specific contact from the list. Now, when you open the contact form, you need to fill in or verify the required details. This might include names, addresses, and other pertinent information that ensures strong record keeping within Zoho Books. It's always a good idea to double-check these details for accuracy. After this, move on to the Other Details section in the same form. This is a critical part of the process. Here, you will find a drop-down menu for currency selection. Take a moment to carefully choose the appropriate currency that matches the transaction or the preference of your customer or vendor. This step helps in avoiding any confusion or errors related to financial exchanges down the line. After you've selected the correct currency from the drop-down list, it's time to save your changes. Find the Save button, typically located towards the bottom of the form. By clicking this, you're ensuring that all new information gets recorded and stored in your database. It's important this final step isn't skipped, as failing to save your modifications means you'll have to go through the process all over again. And that's it. Now you know how to change and manage currency in Zoho Books. Implementing these steps regularly will streamline your accounting practices and enhance your financial interactions with international contacts, making your global business dealings a breeze. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other helpful guides to make the best use of your digital tools.